Hi there, ZZTV viewers. I want to say first, thank you so much for all the views on my first video. I really appreciate the support. But you know what I like more? Is the likes on the video too. So let's see if we can get it up to 200,000 likes. Help me out here. Now also, I decided that I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a choice to sit here and tell me what I should wear next on my next photo shoot. So as you can see, I don't have anything to wear right now. I'm just here in this sheet. I know that you would like to see, oh no, you can't see what's down there. But I will give you the option to go ahead and choose what my next wear is going to be. So what I need you to do is first, like the video. 2, I need you to subscribe. 3, I need you to share. And then 4, I need you to comment below and tell me what you think I should go ahead and wear next. Those who get the winning one, those that get chosen with the winning picks, you will also get signed exclusive photos from me, one and only ZZ. So once again, I need for you to like this video, like all my videos, and also I need you to sit here and share and subscribe. Until then, this is ZZTV. On to the next.